Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add iCloud account to your Gmail on your phone. So first thing you need to do is make sure you have your Gmail downloaded, open the app, and then from here click on the top right icon here, then scroll down, then click on add other account here. From here select iCloud option. So we need to have your iCloud email and password. In order to do that, you close the Gmail, open your browser. I will open Safari, then search for iCloud, open the first website, then sign in into your iCloud. After that, all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then from here, click on Manage Apple Accounts. Then, as you can see here, you will find your email and phone number. You can copy your email here and then go back to your Gmail and paste your address email here and click Next. Then, all you need to do is scroll down until you find app specific password. Click on it. Then click on generate an app specific password. You can name it wherever you want. I will name it Gmail. Then click create. Then as you can see, you will have your specific password here. You can copy it and paste it into Gmail here. After that, just click next. Then set up a name for your Gmail and click next again. Now, as you can see, we have added this iCloud to Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.